Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you and your family members all are safe at home. My name is Anuradha Pradhan, Faculty of Science Department. So already we have started the chapter sorting of material. So half of the portion already I have taught you. So we will proceed further. Okay. So have you ever wondered why cloths are not used to make tumblers? Tumblers means containers. Okay. So why cloths cannot be used for making tumblers? Any guess? Okay. So let us see what happens. Suppose if we pour water on the cloth, what happens to the cloth? You can see the water leaks out. Okay. The water leaks out. So it is not possible to make tumbler with cloth. Mostly tumblers are used to fill liquids. So we use either plastic, glass, steel, etc. to make tumblers. So can you cook food with the help of this plastic or polythene? Is it possible to cook food with this? No, it is not possible to cook food with plastic. Okay. So materials are used according to their properties. Okay. So now I will tell you one by one what are the properties of this material. So let us continue. Appearance. So you can see the objects placed on the table. Okay. So plastic looks different from wood. Wood looks different from steel. Steel looks different from iron. So all the objects are different from each other. Okay. So can you find some of the objects, are they having shine on them? Yes, some of the objects have shine on them. Okay. So you can see the object which shine are called luster. The object which do not shine are called dull. Okay. The object which shine are luster. The object which do not shine are dull. Mostly metals are used to make shiny objects. Okay. Mostly metals shine. Example, iron, copper, aluminium, gold, silver. These metals have shine. So after some time, some of the object lose its shine. Okay. Can you see the object? Yes. So can you tell me the reason why the object lose its shine? The object lose its shine when it comes in contact with air and moisture. Okay. ऑब्जेक्ट्स अपना शाइन खो देते हैं, वो डल बन जाते हैं. कब डल बन जाते हैं? जब वो मॉइस्चर और एयर के कांटेक्ट में आते हैं. आवर सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी इज हार्डनेस. नाउ प्रेस सम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. यू कैन टेक सम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड ट्राई टू प्रेस देम. ओके. व्हाट विल यू फाइंड? You will find some of the objects can be pressed easily and some of the objects cannot be pressed easily. Now try to scratch the objects. What will you find? You will find the object which can be pressed can be scratched, and the object which cannot be pressed cannot be scratched. Okay. So the object which can be pressed and scratched are called soft material. The object which cannot be pressed and scratched are called hard. Third property is softness or roughness. Try to touch the surface of the objects. What will you find? You will find some of the objects are having smooth surface and some of the objects have rough surface. Soluble and insoluble. Now take some solid substance like salt, sugar, sand and chalk powder. Take 4 different glasses. Fill the glass with water in each glass. Now add sugar. Add sugar in the first glass, salt in the second, sand in the third and chalk powder in the fourth glass. Now stir it properly with the help of spoon. some time. What will you find after some time? We will find that some of the substance which we have added in water gets completely mixed with water. Okay, like you can see the sugar mix in water, salts also mix in water, but sand and chalk powder does not mix in water. So the substance which mix in water are called soluble in water. The substance which do not mix in water are called insoluble in water. Does liquid mix or dissolve in water? Are they soluble in water? Let us find out by experiment. So, we will take vinegar, mustard oil, coconut oil and some lemon juice. Fill the glass with 2/3 of water in each glass. Now, take mustard oil and pour in first glass, coconut oil in second glass, vinegar in third glass and lemon juice in fourth glass. Okay, now try to stir it with the help of a spoon and leave it for some time. So what do you observe? We will see that some of the liquids dissolve or mix in water and some of the liquid do not dissolve or mix in water. Like mustard and coconut oil does not dissolve in water, they are not soluble in water, and vinegar and lemon juice, they are soluble in water. So in the same manner, there are some gases which are soluble in water and some gases which are not soluble in water. For example, oxygen is soluble in water and nitrogen is insoluble in water. So today we have learned the properties of materials. We have learned that some of the objects have shine in them and some of the objects are dull. The object which shine, they are called luster. The object which do not have shine, they are called dull. Then second, we have learned hardness. The object which can be pressed easily are soft. The object which cannot be pressed easily are hard. The objects which can be, some of the objects have smooth surface and some of the objects have rough surface. Then some of the objects are insoluble. The objects are insoluble in water and some of the objects are soluble in water. So, we will continue in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.